What is up, boys and girls? We are back with another video, heading home from work. What is this guy doing, bro? Like, what is there? Dude, have y'all been experiencing like just dumb drivers? Like, they're just dumb. I don't know what you guys are doing. Feels weird. It's because of the rain. Like the throttle just feels weird. Dude, today was such a fucking hard day at work, man. Like, so I'm trying to get a promotion. They just keep hounding me with work. And I don't have the energy. I didn't tie my helmet. I'm an idiot. I noticed that nighttime the quality of the camera is not too good. I should have gotten gas, huh? Because I was wasting a lot this morning. It's kind of lagging a little bit. I don't know. Dude, the smell of Popeyes is probably the best smell in the world. Where is it at? Right there, Popeyes. It's the best smell in the world, man. I wanted to take the main road, but express lane is just too good. I don't want to fight through traffic, man. Even though there's not even traffic, it's just I don't want to fight through cars. I just want to ride. But then that's less content for y'all because y'all just see me going straight. Hey, Lee. Sad that I know all the tea. Broken pinky promises, fucked up with my homage strip. I know that you're not for me. Man, if only I had more gas. Bad timing, boy. I would book it right now in front of you and try my best to beat you. Really going that fast? Tame yourself. Yeah, she's like really jerky. I don't know, something's wrong with her. Hello? Oh, hello. What you doing? Yeah. Oh, you just got out? Oh. Ah. Right? Yeah, you stay up a little bit longer. Nah, like 4. Yeah, I'm almost home though. Well, like a couple minutes away. Well, I'm riding. Well, yeah. Yeah. I'm just talking to you through the mic. Girl, you good. I had the Bluetooth, man. Yes. Sorry. Bruh, we both tired, huh? I can hear you. You shower? So, what are you gonna do? You might as well just sleep over. What the hell is this bus doing, bro? I'm so tired. I did so much work today. I don't understand. Can you hear that? Oh. Did he just take a picture of me? I can't even see my license plate anyway. Should have just kept going. Nah, I'm kidding. It's not too cold. This morning was cold. Oh man, this morning was freaking freezing. Oh my god, I have like no gas. I have 1 bar left. What am I doing?